In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort data using cell attributes. And what I mean by that is we may use conditional formatting attributes to a cell to sort. So things that might be a different colors or whatever. So we're going to go over to our spreadsheet, which is 09 vet clinic patients. And if you don't have this file, it's okay. Just look on and see what I'm doing. We want to go to the patient list worksheet. So back over here to this one. And we're going to go to column E. And we're going to right click. And we're going to click insert. So we're going to put another column in here. And we're going to call this column first of all, let's do something else. Go to column E, and we want to make sure of something. We want to make sure there's no data validation present in this column. So we're going to go to select the column, go to data, go to data validation. We're going to go to data validation. We're going to click clear all. Click OK. So now I want you to click in cell E4 if you're following along. We're going to put a title to this. We're going to put spade neutered. We're going to do let's make this a little bit wider. We can either make it wider or we can do some text wrap. So we'll go to the Home tab, do text wrap, and hit space. Wrap text. There we go. So we fixed that. So we're going to put a little bit of data in here. So in column E, so we're going to put some ends for neutered in 5. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 13, 16. It's okay if you miss a couple. If you're doing this with the textbook, it's not a big deal. And I know I skipped over the S's, but we'll get back to that. 20, 24, 27, 30, 31, 32, 36, 40, 41, 43, 47, 48, 52, 54, 57. And now we'll go back up to the top. We're going to put our S's in because I kind of skipped over that. So 6, we're going to put S. 15, we're going to put S. 19, 21, 22, 25, 34, 37, 46, 50, and 56. Okay, so now we got a little bit of data in here. All we were doing is putting the data in there. So now let's select this column, and we're going to go up to the Data tab. We're going to go to click Data Validation. So in the Settings tab, we're going to click. We're going to make this a list. And we're going to put N, comma, S. So we have two things on our list, an N and an S. Those are the things that we put in our cells. And we're going to go to the input message. We're going to type S equals spayed, N equals neutered. Click OK. So now we've given directions for somebody to put only two choices in. So they also have a little drop-down list they can pick from if they want to add to it. And now we're going to select the range E5 to E100. So E5, we'll go on down here to 100. I don't know why we need to go to 100, but that's what the textbook is saying. You know, what if we bring some more data in here? We may want to be able to sort it. Okay. And we're going to click on Conditional Formatting, and that's on the Home tab. Conditional Formatting is something I use all the time. So Conditional Formatting, click New Rule. Down here, New Rule. So in this text, in this dialog box, which is called the New Formatting Rule box, we're going to choose the Format Only Cells That Contain. So Format Only Cells That Contain. We're going to click No Blanks. Let's see. Format only cells with no blanks. Click Format. We're going to go to our Fill tab. So we're going to fill the cell with I think we're going to pick a pinkish color. There's pink. It's like a salmon color. So we can click OK. Click OK. So things that don't have a value in them, or that, I'm sorry, things that are not blank. So anything with a value in it is going to be shaded. So anything that's spayed or neutered, any of the animals that are spayed or neutered. And now we're going to select A4 to F57. So now we can apply our sorting. So let's go back up to our data group. We're going to go to our sort button. Let's see what this error says. Microsoft Excel found data next to your selection. Since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. So we want to expand the selection. Oh, hit cancel. I'm sorry, I messed up. So we want to select, yeah, A4 to F57. Let's try this again. And we want to name this Patience. And I messed up again. I don't know what I'm doing here. So I'm going to go back to my formula bar. I'm going to go back to my name manager, and I am going to delete this. Click OK, close. Now I'm going to go A4 to F57. Now I'm going to call this Patience. It can get a little bit complicated. In the sort and filter group, click sort. So we're going to go to our data tab, go to sort. Now, our sort by, we want to pick spayed neutered. That's the name of our column. On the sort on list, we're going to click cell color. So now that we've applied conditional formatting, we can click cell color. And our color, let's see. I did font color, I meant to do cell color. And this is the only one that we have used, so that's the only one that's in our little gallery to pick. So we're going to click the little salmon colored one. And then, do we want those at the top or at the bottom? So we're just going to leave them on the top. Click OK. And now it brought everything up. So the empty ones are the ones at the bottom. Okay, so that's how you sort for multiple sort for a cell attribute is what that is, because cell attribute means it is colored. We applied formatting to it, conditional formatting, so it's a salmon color, and that's our attribute to the cell. So we could also do probably font formatting or font color or other types of attributes that might be in those cells. So that's how you sort by cell attribute.